Yeah, you are correct. There are a variety of blues, and all of these blues really give off such a effect, and it's a huge part of the painting, from all the way from the dark blues to the light blues and everything in between. So, number 2, how does he use the foreground?
The foreground, there's the tree in the front, and then it's darker than everything else.
Yeah, and it's definitely something that stands out right when you first look at it. It's really dark in comparison to almost everything else.
Mm-hmm.
It almost is a symbolic meaning of some darkness versus to the background with the sky, where it could symbolize what. So going to number 3, background, why do you think how do you think he uses the background?
It shows a lot of movement with the sky. The sky seems calming and then hopeful.
Yeah, and it definitely plays with the foreground, where the foreground is so dark and kind of eerie, and then you got this vibrant, colorful background happening.
Yeah.
And then you have something in the middle, which is, how did he use the middle ground?
It looks like that the village is almost as dark as the tree, but not as dark, and then not as light as the sky.
Yep. So he uses the background, the foreground, and the middle ground so well, and the 3 areas really play together quite nicely, and that's what makes this painting one of the most famous paintings around, because you have these like almost 3 different kind of moods happening in one painting.